Hi, George Antonopoulos, President Chief Investment Strategist at Wall Street Investments. It's 8:30 p.m. here on Sunday, March 22nd, 2020. And I don't have to tell you that, if you've been following us for the last month, I've been front and center with you to educate and glean some information for long-term wealth management principles and how to navigate this environment. So just real quickly tonight, obviously we're going to have a very choppy market. I've said that over and over. It doesn't matter if in my opinion, if we've hit the bottom Friday or Monday or in 3 trading days, we are at pretty much the bottom. The stock market forecasts the future. So it's been fighting its way upward, but the trend has been downward. We're in a bear market. This too shall pass. And I just wanted to make sure that you keep your long-term goals just that, your long-term goals. Think about your 10-year goals, 20-year goals, and 30-year goals in the stock market. Because history has shown us repeatedly over and over, and it's been always the same outcome, that when things recover, stocks rebound tremendously on the upside. So with that said, I wanted to make sure to communicate that the United States Treasury, as you know, or maybe you don't know, has extended the tax deadline to July 15th, 2020. So, and check with your CPA and check with our firm. But I believe that your IRA contribution also has that extension till July 15th. Not 401k contributions, though. So again, we'll give you more information as it becomes available. Wanted to also reiterate just some long-term principles and strategies. We cannot time the stock market, and to do so is a futile attempt. So we're gonna be with you. We're gonna stay on course through this entire process, and this too shall pass. We're in tomorrow's day 6 of the 15-day plan to have this entire superflu virus, eliminated, or at least so the curve flattens. So we're a third of the way there. So the good news is that every day we're making progress, and there's great news coming out of not only the scientific community, but also the global community. It does seem that maybe that we're starting to get to that flattening of the curve very shortly. We're not out of the woods yet, but every day brings hope, and we will get through this. We have the greatest minds on earth tackling this. This too shall pass. I'm telling you. Stay the course. Sounds cliche, but sometimes cliches are there for a reason. Also, the United States Senate and the House of Representatives are working out a stimulus package. They're doing it right now in real time in Washington. It's going to get to a resolution. It will pass. They will get it to the president's desk, and it will get signed. It's a matter of 24 hours, 48 hours. It's going to happen. I don't know the exact moment, but it will get passed, and it will get signed, and it will become effective. And it could be several $1 trillion of stimulus to help those that need it most. Our friends and family here in the city who have been suffering from the restaurant closures, small business owners, employees. This stimulus package is going to help. It's going to help soften the blow. So we're going to have a big, tough blow here in the first quarter at the end of March 31st, but the second quarter will get a little better, and the third quarter is going to get a lot better, and the fourth quarter is going to become an incredible rebound. So I just wanted to ensure that you and your loved ones are safe. That's my main priority. And it's a little cold out tonight, but I am very honored to be standing here. Got the New York Stock Exchange in the background, and if you saw some of the previous Live from Wall Street webisodes, you know how I feel about our Stars and Stripes, and I know you feel the same way. And I was actually speaking with a client earlier this evening who's a law enforcement specialist here in the tri-state area, and he told me that within a few weeks he's gleaned information that things will become better, and he's a very high-level law enforcement professional here in the tri-state area. So that was very encouraging news from one of our clients. We're going to communicate with you on an ongoing basis through we've instituted our remote office policy now. In about 30 minutes, they're shutting down New York City as far as non-essential personnel. So we're going to be communicating with you through video conferencing, through Zoom, Skype. You'll be getting some live from Wall Street videos, maybe in another format, text messaging system, phone calls. So please call us at 855-888-WALL. That's 855-888-9255. And you'll be able to reach us. Just follow the prompts. If not, leave a voicemail. We'll get back to you immediately. You can email us info@wallstreeteye.com. That's INFO at wallstreeteyeinvestments.com. Again, I wanted to point out that this is going to be a very choppy market as the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, month goes by. Historically, you can find information on our Facebook page. That's facebook.com/Wall Street Eye. Again, facebook.com/Wall Street Eyes and Investments. Check us out on Twitter, and our Twitter handle is @WallStreetEye, WALLSTREETI. And I want you to know that this severe quick recession that we got into in this bear market is very similar to ones in the past. So look at our literature on Facebook, look at our literature on Twitter, look at our YouTube channel that this will be pushed out to, this video here tonight. And stay informed, stay focused, stay safe, and most importantly, stay committed to the process that we put in place for you, your long-term wealth management plan. Because it's not timing the stock market that's going to create long-term wealth for you. That's impossible to do. It's rather time in the stock market, because if you miss the best 10 trading days out of this recovery, you'll have missed out on your complete returns over the next 3, 5, 10 years. So again, George Antonopoulos, Wall Street Investments, and please reach out to us if you have any questions whatsoever. Okay, thank you so very much, and stay safe and have a great night. And if you see this on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, I hope your week's going well. Thank you.